Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. In this tech tutorial video, we're going to reveal to you how we can install and run extensions on Firefox, or as they are called on Firefox, add-ons, for instance, to enhance your browsing experience and to improve also, in some cases at least, the web browser performance. So let us dive right into it. Launch Firefox, and what you want to do, guys, is click into that button in the top right corner here in your toolbar, extensions, or alternately clicking to these three lines and select extensions and themes, or use the shortcut here. That is going to redirect you to your add-ons manager. So what you want to do from here, guys, is simply turn on or turn off any installed extensions or add-ons here, or alternately install new extensions from that list of recommended extensions, or head over to the library of add-ons on Firefox. So let us go with both examples. Let me install one of these recommendations. For example, that one here, simply clicking to add to Firefox here, wait for the installation to be finished. You will see the required permissions in the top right. So if you'd like to grant these permissions, click into add here. And last but not least, guys, the given extension will be added to your list of installed extensions, and you will be also given the opportunity to pin the extension to the toolbar by selecting this checkbox here. And that is going to add your extension to that toolbar so that whenever you're on Firefox, you may access it directly here without heading over to your add-ons manager. So that's one way how you can install them. The second option would be, as previously mentioned, to head over to the Firefox library by clicking into Find More Add-ons here in your add-ons manager. And after that, head over to Extensions and select an extension category like Appearance, Bookmarks, Web Development, Tabs, and so on and so forth. So let me go with Appearance. Next, browse through that list. You may also filter or sort your results by most users, relevance, recently updated, and so on and so forth. You will see the number of users using the given extension here to the right. So let me go with, I don't know, that read out aloud extension here, for instance, so that you may read aloud a website you visit. And yeah, simply clicking to add to Firefox here, confirm by clicking into add there. Pin the extension to the toolbar if you like, and that's it. That should do it. Now all of your extensions will be accessible in the top right, or alternatively, guys, you may simply right click into it, the extension, and unpin it from your toolbar. So let me do that for all of these extensions really quickly. And that's it. You can simply access the given extension by clicking into it and make use of it depending on its features and functions here in Firefox. And that's how it works, guys. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed this video, got some value from it, and we'll see you next time on our channel.